Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am making candles and these are the materials I'll be using. And I'll be making a total of 3 candles today. I won't be talking as much during this video because I feel like it's self-explanatory. But I will be using E6000 and Gorilla hot glue sticks. And I will also be showing you how to make all 3 candles. Well, basically the base of each candle, and then I'm gonna decorate the biggest candle at the end. After my candles dried, I decided to add on some crushed mirror. So I'm going to be using my Mod Podge and a little bit of glitter. And I will be covering all 3 candles. I'm just showing you how I did one of them. Next, I spray painted all 3 of these gold. Next, I will be putting a trim of gold poster board around the top of the glass. And it is 1 inch thick. Next, I also added more metallic trim to the tea light candle holders. The last thing I did was add the candles to the saucers. I didn't want to glue them down because I wanted to use mirrors instead of those, but they didn't have them at the location I went to last night, so yeah, I'm going to use these for now and then switch them out later. Overall, I think the candles turned out beautiful and I really think they're very inexpensive to make. Please let me know how you feel about these candles in the comments, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, Glitter Babes. Stay blessed.